Routine and routine. As the president of Santander Bank, I always follow a very disciplined routine to maintain my performance. At these high living positions, I usually wake up 6 o'clock and never skip my moderate exercise and yoga sessions for breakfast, and always eat an early my mix of quinoa, yogurt, and soy.
I always arrive at my office in Madrid by 9 o'clock. I often follow to the 6th floor to help achieve my daily goal of 10,000 steps. The daily mile is called the first line of week, and I believe my organized routine is a key reason for my success. I am never lazy. On the contrary, I strive to be a true powerhouse.
Despite my bias issues, I always balance risk and always say that the hours of the sleep between 10 o'clock and midnight are the most restoring. Furthermore, my energy and discipline allow me to easily cling on the 765 street to Caballo Lighthouse in Estonia, unshaped for me that I feel most my physical and mental strength.
Hello, today I want to talk about routines and discipline. Comparing mine with Ana Botín, CEO of Santander Bank. Ana Botín wakes up at 6:30 in the morning. I sometimes wake at 9 o'clock. The different schedules is not a coincidence. She roots a financial empire. I, for now, spend my mornings preparing for my future. She always starts her day with exercise and yoga. I always start mine by having breakfast and cleaning my house. She always arrives at her office in Madrid and wakes up to the 6th floor. I always sit down at my desk to study and attend in-person classes. She meets with investors and analyze international markets. I sometimes meet with my mates and analyze case studies. She often has a dinner with her family, values reads, and goes to the bed early to recharge. I have a dinner, brush my teeth, and fall asleep thinking about what I'll learn tomorrow. And so both our routines come to an end.